All right, look, if you're tired of the BS, all the fluff, the gurus selling you fucking dreams on a silver platter, well, you're finally in the right place. Because today, we're cutting through all that. This isn't just another YouTube video. This is an unveiling. That's right. This is epic. You heard me right, epic. Escaping poverty is cool. See, because for too long, we've been sold a lie that says that you have to work 40 years, save 10%, pray for a pension that probably won't be there, and then you'll have a good life. That's not a life. That's a life sentence. And I'm here to tell you for myself and for you, that ends right now. So how are we doing this? We're not doing it by reinventing the wheel. I'm not doing it by selling you some magic fucking beans, but by putting one of the most underrated, no BS blueprints to the ultimate test. By using this book right here by my mentor, Dion McNeely, Financial Freedom for the Lazy Person. He's not your typical finance guru. He's a dude that went from $89,000 in bad debt, downsized from the Marines, laid off from law enforcement, to financially free in less than 10 years. And he started at 40 years old. Think about that. No motherfucking inheritance, no trust fund, just pure, unadulterated execution of a strategy. Now, I'm not lazy. I'm 39. I'm already saving about 50% of my W-2 income, no debt. So I figure if this lazy person over here can make it work, imagine what we can do with a little focus and a whole lot of grit. My entire brand, my mission with Cracked Canvas is to be the live case study, the guinea pig, the real life experiment of everything that Dion's teaching in this book. Every single chapter, every lesson, every word. I'm taking it and applying it and showing you the unfiltered receipts. Why am I doing this? Well, I'm glad you asked. Why go through documenting every single detail, good or bad? Because I'm a single father. My daughter, Adalia, she's 14 years old, and she's incredibly talented. She loves art, she loves painting, and just creating. But she does struggle with math, like me, her old man. But she's probably going to still pull off the honor roll, play soccer, volleyball. She's epic. She's already epic. She's just an amazing teenager. But I want more for her, and I want more for us. More than just trading hours for dollars until I'm 65. I want time freedom. I want to build a small empire, not somebody else's. And I know deep down, a lot of you watching gotta feel the exact same way for you and your families and your future. This isn't just about money. It's about building a life where work is optional, where we only do what we love, what we're passionate about. No alarm clocks, no soul-crushing commutes, just pure, unadulterated freedom. That's it. So, how am I actually doing this? I'm going all in. You'll see me doing deep dives, chapter by chapter, literally screen recording sections, reading them aloud, and breaking down what it all actually means in a real world application. We're talking house hacking, small multifamily units, learning to leverage debt, a concept that would make Dave Ramsey spontaneously combust. But as Dion shows, traditional advice often keeps you stuck. This isn't just theory. I'm putting my own money, my own time, my own journey on display. The triumphs, the screw ups, the unexpected hurdles. It's a real motherfucking life experiment, a live case study. I'm like a guinea pig, if you will. I'll be capturing a lot of this POV style through my new Meta Ray-Ban second gen glasses, so you can see exactly what's going on. This isn't just easy though. Financial freedom isn't just handed to you. As Michael Zuber from One Rental at a Time preaches, do the work, do the work, do the reps, do the work. I'm taking that metaphor literally. I'm about to kick off a personal 30-day kickoff push-up challenge. I'm going to probably do my best to increase 100 every single day. Sounds crazy. That's over 46,000 push-ups, but it's symbolic. It's about consistency, pushing the limits, and showing up every single damn day. Just like building any empire. But see, the good thing of it is we don't have to do it alone. This is where the Cracked Canvas community comes in. This isn't just a place to watch me. This is where we learn, grow, and help each other that's on this journey. I'm also have already built a safe space, a masterclass, a community, a place where those of you that are serious about making work optional, I'm attempting to create a community. I'm gonna need 33 founding members in the community, and then it'll be capped at 333 members. No two paths are the same. Some of you might be in stocks. Some of you might want to start a business. Some of you might be all about content creation, even maybe crypto if you're real brave. But our core denominator, our shared belief is simple. We all want to quit our W-2 job and make work optional. We want time freedom. We all want to build our own specific empire instead of somebody else's. Just think of it like this. The secret of getting ahead is just getting started. The secret to getting started is breaking your task into small, manageable tasks and then starting on the first one. Mark Twain said that. We break it down and then we execute together. I've already got my Stan Store set up as well, and it's got some guides and my entire journey, my lessons from Dion's book, my successes, every failure. I'm documenting everything on the Cracked Canvas community. The ultimate value for the community, the paid community, will be from my showing, not just telling. If you're ready to stop making excuses and put in the damn work and watch me win, struggle, fail, then it's time to do the work. Click the link in the description below and get a free guide. I've got several of them, but I've got the epic guide. Join the Cracked Canvas community because this isn't just about financial freedom. This is about total life freedom. Let's become epic together because escaping poverty is cool. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching. And boom.